So Bank of America's Q2 2025 results reflected the tough landscape for banks as lower interest rates and fierce competition for deposits squeezed the margins. Even as loan demand slowed and credit costs rose, Bank of America's strong capital position and digital transformation efforts are helping it weather the storm. Yet with management signaling caution about the economic outlook and regulatory headwinds ahead, can Bank of America sustain its momentum through the rest of 2025? Now stay tuned to the end of the video, as I'm going to give you a level where the chart suggests the smart money will buy the dip and go long. Now this is the monthly chart, and if I go down and to the left, you see this hammer candle. These are fingers pointing down to where the unfilled buy orders are located, and we call this monthly buyers at $32. Current price to go up, well, there is no sellers. We are in price discovery. Let's go down to the weekly chart, and we see this gap, which is an extended range green candle, basing candles, and then the rally out. And so what we do have is weekly buyers. At that $43 level. And there was another setup similar to this price structure of a rally base rally. If you look down here, although you do have a lot of trading to the left, you have a rally base rally. Price attempts to come back like it did here. And so this is nested within this monthly buyers level. You have a weekly buyers level, and then price dipped its toes right at the top of the zone and then took off. All right, so if I look at this green candle, red candle, and then the move higher, this is the origin that took out the pivots to the left. And so if we zoom down to the daily chart, that origin was characteristic of sideways price action, and then we had decent volume leaving this sideways price action. So the charts are suggesting typically when you break out, you do have a retest. So the charts are suggesting one can go long on a retest of the origin of the breakout at that $44 to $45 level, in which you are protected by this weekly buy level. So the move would be pull back to take it to new all-time highs before the end of the year. Charts are suggesting put your stop below the zone at about $42. With an entry at $45.